Meaning of implore.
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 Implore. The word implore means to earnestly or desperately request or beg for something from someone. When someone implores another person, they are showing a strong desire or need for assistance, help, or support. It suggests a sense of urgency and vulnerability in the person making the plea. The act of imploring can be emotive and sincere, and it often involves humbling oneself before another party. In essence, when someone implores, they express their deepest hopes and needs, hoping that the other person will respond with compassion and understanding.